Mama, I need your help.
What do you need help with?
I have lots of math to do.
Okay, Pango, what are your word problems?
No word problems, geometry.
Okay, works for me.
The first word is regular polygon.
Okay, regular polygon. A regular polygon is basically a shape with all equal sides. An example is like a square.
Okay.
Now that you know what that is, I'm going to finish the laundry.
Where are you going? I still have 34 words, Muma.
Okay.
Triangle. What's a triangle? What's a quadrilateral, a pentagon, a hexagon, and an octagon?
A triangle is a shape with 3 sides,
Like this.
Now, a quadrilateral is a shape with 4 sides, like a square. A pentagon is a shape with 5 sides, like the Pentagon building in Washington, D.C. A hexagon is a shape with 6 sides, like this. An octagon is a shape with 8 sides, like a stop sign. Now, anything else?
Yep. What's an equilateral, isosceles, acute, right, obtuse, and scalene triangle?
An equilateral triangle is a triangle with all equal sides, like this. An isosceles triangle is a triangle with 2 equal sides, like this. A scalene triangle is a triangle with no equal sides, like this. A right triangle is a triangle with a right angle, like this. An acute triangle is a triangle with an acute angle, like this. An obtuse angle is an angle more than 90 degrees, like this.
What's a parallelogram, a trapezoid, a rectangle, a rhombus, a square, and a generalization?
A parallelogram is an equilateral with 2 pairs of parallel sides, like this. A trapezoid is an equilateral with 1 pair of parallel sides. A rectangle is a quadrilateral with 4 right angles, like this. A rhombus is a quadrilateral with 4 sides, like this. A square has 4 equal sides and 4 right angles, and it looks like this. A generalization is a broad statement. An example is all squares are red.
What's a parallel line, line, intersecting line, perpendicular line, point, line, segment, plane, and an angle, a right angle, a straight angle, a vertex, a protractor, a degree, a polygon, and a ray?
A line is a continuous extent in length, like this. Parallel lines lie in the same plane and are the same distance apart, and they look like this. Intersecting lines are 2 or more lines that meet at a point, and it looks like this. Perpendicular lines are 2 lines that intersect and form right angles, and it looks like this. A point is represented by a dot and named with a capital letter, and it looks like this. A line segment is a connected piece of line with endpoints on each side, and it looks like this. A plane has an infinite length and an infinite width, and it looks like this. An angle is two rays that have the same endpoint, and it looks like this. An acute angle is an angle less than 90 degrees, and it looks like this. A right angle is an angle measuring 90 degrees, and it looks like this. A straight angle is an angle that measures 180 degrees, and it looks like this. A vertex is the common endpoint of two or more rays or line segments, and they look like this. A protractor is a tool used to measure angles, and it looks like this. A degree is a unit of angle measure, and it looks like this. A polygon is a number of line segments connected at each end to form a closed shape. A ray is a portion of a line that goes off in one direction, and it looks like this.
Thanks, Muma.
Anytime, Pango. Now, do you need any more help?
Nope.
Okay, well, I'm going back to doing the laundry. The end.